Out with the old, in with the new. Goodbye MSI GL65. Look pretty good, except that piss poor battery life. Now let's get onto the new machine. Today on the table I've got a Dell G3 15 running, well, virtually the same specs as the MSI was, with a 15.6 inch screen, non-slim bezel, the i5 9300H, 8 gig of DDR4, assumably single channel, a 512 gig NVMe SSD, and the GTX 1650 4 gig model. I'm pretty sure it is the 4 gig model. As you can see in the box, a very plain box. You get a whole bunch of paperwork, some beads to eat if you're hungry, and also a power lead. This one's a little bit smaller than the previous laptop I've used, the MSI, also 130 watt, a little bit lighter. And you may have noticed I purchased the white edition of this laptop. No particular reason why, apart from the fact that it was on special, and that was the model that they sent out. So I definitely do like the whiteness. Here we go, plug-wise, Kensington lock, 2 USBs, SD slot. Around the front, nothing special. Around the side, what have we got here? Headphone, Ethernet, USB, HDMI, Type-C, and power. All in a relatively finished machine. I'm assuming two exhaust fans on the left and the right at the back, around the hinge. So anyway, it's got like a white satin kind of look to it. Definitely don't mind it. On the inside, a fairly unique style of hinge. I haven't seen this style of hinge in quite a while. The keyboard layout I like, especially the Windows key on the far left hand side. And the trackpad itself does seem reasonably large. It is one solid panel, which I am slightly disappointed about. But time will go on to see how well I truly like it. Quick overview. The trackpad is a matte finish that does seem to remove the oils from your fingers reasonably well without smearing. Then again, time will truly show how well that will go. Overall, I don't mind this. I'd almost call it a clam kind of look to it, and I'm looking forward to see how it goes in the future. So I'll see how I go, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.